What is up, jerks? I am out here in Long Beach today. I'm coming out here with my good friend Justin. He has a 45-foot sport fisher, which we are on right now. He also was featured on Venom Hunters on Discovery Channel. He's a real cool guy. He's gonna captain us. He's gonna put us on some lobsters today. We got Big Worm Herm. You guys already know this guy. We got Fran Lee Marie out here this time too. And we got Cody out here, which is Justin's good friend. The 5 of us are gonna be dropping lobster traps tonight, having a good time. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Cop some perch merch in the description. Let's get into it. These right here are the lobster traps that we're using. You got the big floats on top. What you do is get a little cylinder, a square box, I'll show you guys later, and you fill them up with bait and you literally just throw these over and let them soak and wait for lobster. We got Captain Justin. What up, Justin?
How's it going, you guys? Starting in November, I'm gonna start doing the lobster charters. So if you want, you get a hold of Brad or get a hold of myself. Also, throw out to Your Saltwater guy, Dave Hansen. Go check them out. You can find our spots everywhere we go. All the reports, all on Your Saltwater guy.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, snake or lobsters out of the nets.
We got 45 feet of yellow thick line, as you can see. There's a weight on the end of it here, and then you have a big slip float like that slides up and down the line, as you can see. You put the line through it. And then on your floats, make sure you always put your name, your lobster ID, all that kind of jazz, so that way you don't get in trouble. This is the hoop net. And they go inside a little bit, you can see. Right here we have the end of a Gatling gun. No, I'm kidding. This is the trap that we're gonna be putting the bait in. This is a cylinder. It's a homemade cylinder, actually. You can buy these at the bait and tackle shop and they look the same. They're usually white, but yeah, this is a homemade one. He's got the little screw on the end, and you just take the sardines that we got in the bait tank and you throw them in here, smash them down, put the lid on. Then you take these cylinders and you just hook them into the bottom of this trap right here. They sit in the middle of the trap, and then the seals and any other sea life down there can't get to it. The first thing we do is drop the floats and the traps into the water so we can mark the spots. The first thing you're going to do when you're filling up your little bait cylinders is cut all the fish. You want to score them like you're about to cook them. I do it all the time. And you're going to get your little cylinders. This is one of the black cylinders we got, and you are going to load these fish into here.
We only use fresh sardines or fresh mackerel.
Okay.
That's the best that we've found.
But yeah, this is it, you guys. You fill them up, and then you take these bad boys and you put them in the bottom of the traps right here, and you send them into the ocean and wait. We're gonna drop 5 traps in this specific location, and then we are going to travel over to a shipwreck, and we're gonna drop 5 more traps in that location to see if we can get some monsters over there and quantity over here. Now we're gonna take this and throw it over the edge. After we violate this buoy with a glow stick, that way when you come by at night, you can see him clear as day in the water. Now Cody's gonna launch this into the water. Fran's all excited over here. Woo! And at the end of this, you have a weight that drops the other end of this rope down to the bottom of the water.
Launch it. Woo! Send in the buoy, and off it goes. Woo! Bye!
Yeah. Boom, there you go.
All right, sender. Boom. Here we go. Buoy in.
What is that? You got something in there.
Is that a lobster?
No,
It's
it's
an octopus.
It's a,
Is it good sashimi?
Oh my God, he's rapping on you.
Wear them like
It's
a
the
watch.
Kraken. So funny. That's so awesome. Throw it overboard. We can get rid of it. She's like, yes, please.
and pull, and pull, and pull, and pull, and pull.
Dude, look, I caught a lobster.
Nice.
What up, dude?
Want to go
Look at
grab
that thing.
grab the lobster gauge?
That's weird.
Woo, dang.
Yo, look at it.
It's crazy they move that fast. All right, so we got lobster over here. Tail.
Dude, I got a lobster. That's so sweet.
Damn,
Look at it go.
I didn't even think it could move that quick.
Yo, look at him. We're about to measure it, see if it's legal. Is that legal or just short?
Barely, it's just short, so we throw it back. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Throw him.
All right, yeah, we're gonna send him back,
We're gonna
dude.
tell him bye.
Yeah, the leap of
Our
faith.
first one wasn't legal, but
You know what to do on the leap of faith, right?
Yep.
Hey, close enough, close enough.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Hell yeah.
Woo!
Damn, another one. Eat
Dude, I got
Oh,
a post. Look at that.
Ooh, see it. It's a pussy. Ooh.
All right, let's get him back quick.
Bye.
All right, he's back. He gone. We got a post.
He gone.
Teeny guy though.
Yo, we got a lobster. Yeah, he is a little bit smaller than the last one.
Yeah, a little smaller. I mean, we could see it's right here, but probably not.
Friendly with the lobster.
Slapping tail.
Yeah, look at him go. Dude, look at that face. That's cool.
Grab him by the tail.
No, thanks.
Oh, look at it smack. Grab. See that part?
He's too small. Throw him
That's
back.
where you want to grab him.
Where?
He's too small.
Yeah.
Oh, he's too small.
Should we do it?
Or no,
just
we
in
should
case?
measure him just in case.
The smaller one's the lobster.
Yep.
Lobster, and it's between the eyes and back.
And he's short.
He's short.
You're too tiny, Herm.
Damn.
Oh, man.
Damn, bro.
Close.
Yeah.
Yep. We'll send him back.
Baby.
Back into the water. Wee, bloop. Yo, we just brought a crab trap up, dude. And I caught a sculpin. They got mad poison or venom, one or the other, in those spines. So you don't want to get stabbed. I've been stabbed by him before. Yeah, let's do the leap of faith.
All right. Bye, little buddy.
Wee, bloop. In today's episode of Hooked on Fran. Oh!
A shark.
She got a shark!
Dude, I called it, bro.
You did.
It's so cute.
All right, let's examine.
Oh,
It's a horn shark.
It's a baby horn.
It's a baby horn shark.
Oh my God, it's so.
Yeah, that is a horn shark, not a swell shark. Swell sharks are very similar to these, but these ones have the horns. Be careful too,
Oh, I
because
know.
those ones are sharp.
Got him?
All right, yeah, send him back. Whee!
That
Lobster!
one looks like a keeper.
Yeah, that might be a keeper, Warren.
Might be a keeper. Might be. Probably got something in there.
That might be a keeper, dude.
Come here, boy.
Herm got himself a flapper.
Oh, he's upside down now.
And it's too close.
Really close.
No, it's not.
No?
No.
No, it's good.
That's legal?
Good?
Let me see.
All right, we're keeping him.
Is it legal?
Oh yeah.
That looks like a keeper.
Has to go in the bend. Okay.
On the backside.
Yeah, Herm done pulled up the keeper.
I
Sheesh.
got the next trap.
No, you
Oh
don't.
my God. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, big worm of the Hermias
Got
variety.
me an arm crawler.
Yeah, dude, you
Come here,
do.
boy.
Herm's a natural now, dude.
Yes, sir.
Flop into the water.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for real.
I don't want to lose him.
You're good, bro.
He's like giving me a massage.
Stick him in the tank. You got to pull him off quick, remember?
What?
With the quickness. Yeah! He-Man! Yeah, it goes right into the ocean.
You can reach that one.
Stick.
Stick.
Go, baby!
Oh, you got the slack.
Oh, I got the slack end. You got the money end. Here, let me get this up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Let me record him.
So.
Yeah, Cody! Oh, Cody! Oh!
It's a
Yo! It's a tank! It's a tank!
It is a
Yo!
monster.
Cody!
Cody's first one.
Bro, it's a tank!
He's like, dude, I got
Yo, it's a complete monster!
Oh my God.
Holy snakes!
Fucking thing.
What the
Oh
heck?
my God.
He don't
Oh
move
my
like them
God,
little guys.
dude!
No, if you touch him, he'll
Oh
flop.
my
Yeah,
God!
Holy
Is that thing smoking a cigar right now, dude? Jesus Christ! He was in a game of poker down there. Holy shnikes, bro! Yo!
Oh my God.
I thought I had
Yo!
I thought I had the
Bro! I thought there was a shark in there, man. Holy shit!
I thought I had.
Yo! Oh my God! It's humping everything in sight.
See how crazy that mouth is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. Get a
Show
close up
that.
of that.
Is this recording? Yeah. Wow.
Holy
Where's that at? Hold your hand over it. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm totally okay with this.
Hold your hands up.
Oh man, that is giant.
Put that thing on my arm
Just
real
whenever
quick.
you do, don't point this end near the water.
Yeah.
Real quick.
Yeah, let's all get in there. Yeah, there you go, Fran Lee Marie.
Open.
Oh, we got a sculpin.
It's a little bigger sculpin.
It's a keeper too. Ah! Ah, it's got me. Nice catch, Fran.
That's bigger.
Yeah, that's a bigger one, definitely.
Man.
Yeah, that's a sweet
Yeah, go for
scalper.
it. That's a pretty one.
Yeah, dude, they're so pretty.
I wish I had a fish tank.
I know, right? You could keep that in your fish tank,
Feed
dude.
it to your rattlesnake.
Dude, that's such a sweet fish. Their heads are so gnarly and
Look at
big.
it. Look at it. Have you seen the inside of the gills?
No,
Can
where
you
is
see
it?
with the light?
Oh yeah, you can see in there, dude. That's sick. We're hunting water bison.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's exactly
Who got the slack?
I got stick. I got stick.
Woo!
I count at least 13 right now, dude.
Ain't shit in there. Oh!
There's almost 13, dude. It's crabs. We got our huge trap full of crabs up. These are all rock crabs, right?
Yeah. The keeper.
Keeper, yeah. Eat him. He's gonna go in here and join this huge lobster, dude. Look at that thing. All right, go in there, buddy. Beautiful. Is that one of the keepers?
Yeah.
All right, we got some keeper crabs and a big old lobster. Yeah, I caught a little lobster.
Is that a lobster? Is that a whole baby? I have the lobster gauge right here. Woo! Got him.
Sheesh. Ow, he's stabbing me now.
You got it? You ready? Lobster gauge?
There you go.
Here you go.
Technique.
Look at that technique.
built for this.
Woo. All right,
Let's
see
measure
it.
this little dude. Put this on his horns. He's short.
He's short.
In between the eyes, yeah, he's short.
Yep, he's short. All right.
Little
Looks
bit
like
short.
he's going back. Bye, buddy. Thanks for letting us catch you.
Check him out, dude. He's so cool.
Woo.
All right, let's throw him back.
Bye. Shoosh.
Hey, we just got done pulling up the last lobster trap. It's getting really late. We caught a complete slobby monster, dude. That thing was giant. I've never seen a lobster that big. We got a bunch of little lobsters too, and we got some crabs. We got tons of cool stuff. This was such an awesome trip. Shout out to Justin for bringing us out. Hit up saltwaterguides.com, you guys. All right, guys, we're back at the crib. And we have this huge lobster, and we're about to try and cook this. I've never cooked a whole lobster before, so let's get right into this. We got to remove the tail somehow, so let's remove the tail. All right, there you go. I have removed the tail from the lobster. And we also stabbed the lobster in the head as well a couple times just to make sure that this thing's dead, so we're not just like ripping it apart while it's alive. All right, we're gonna do something quick. We're gonna take this antenna. There we go. Now, this is the weird part, but this is what you're supposed to do, you guys. On the back of their tail, they have a butt. And you need to open their butt right there. And you're supposed to take this antenna, right? And you put it into the butt. You feed it in through there all the way. In through the butt, right? Oh, and then look, that's the poop line right there. It's coming out. See that? That's what you do with lobsters. There you go. Now, yeah, that antenna's all the way through. Boom, your poop line's out, you guys. Look at that. This is my first time. We're doing it right. And then you pull that out, and then your poop line is clean. Look at that. Just like shrimp and stuff. Same thing. And then now you got a fresh lobster tail with no poop line in it. All right, you guys, don't judge me. I know it's not the prettiest thing ever, but we spatchcocked it, or Benedict Cumberbatch, or whatever you call it when you do this. But dude, we took the meat and we set it on top, and we're gonna cook it like this and make it look pretty. So I don't know, dude, that's cool. This is gonna do. Let's get this cooking. Like, dude. Alright, yeah, there we go. Alright, we stuck the lobster in the oven. I'm going to leave it in here on 400 degrees for 30 minutes, and then we're going to pull it out and eat it with some butter. I'm about to pop this lobster out soon. I got garlic powder, parsley flakes, and butter. That's our butter that we're dipping this in. Ooh, that's going to be good. I just pulled the lobster out of the oven, dude. Look at this thing. This is just a huge steaming lobster, dude. Oh my gosh, this tail's huge. And we got this garlic butter over here. We're about to smash this, dude. Here's the lobster, dude. We both just got 2 huge chunks right here. We're about to butter these up and eat it. So let's dip these bad boys in this garlic butter, dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that.
About to be heaven.
Look at that. All right. Fresh lobster. We just caught this thing.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Mmm. Oh my god, what?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bro.
That's good.
Oh my God. We get to eat this whole thing, dude. Just, about to tear this up, man. This was such an epic trip. Shout out to Justin. Check out yoursaltwaterguides.com. Shout out to Cody. Thanks for helping us out, bro. Shout out to Franley Marie. Shout out to Big Worm Herm. ThePerchJerker, you know how it is. We all had a blast today, you guys. We killed it. We're going to keep making more videos, too. There's going to be so many more videos. This is just a start. And I'm so happy how this turned out. I am over the moon right now. This is so cool, you guys. I'm so excited. So, you guys know how it is. Cop some perch merch in the link in the description. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. We're about to tear up this lobster. Herman's got to fly back to Ohio tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
So until next time, you guys, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. I love you, Jerk Squad. We'll be back with more. You already know. Peace.